Alright guys, so today I got my babe Joseph cooking with me. We're doing teriyaki oyster mushrooms. Alright, so we've already shredded our mushrooms and got them in the skillet seasoned real good. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients you will need for today's meal. Alright, so of course oyster mushrooms that you'll have to shred. You can get you some veggie stir fry or whatever vegetables you want for your stir fry. You got Greek all-purpose seasoning. I can't even talk. Basil, Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and teriyaki sauce, or whatever kind of teriyaki sauce you want to use. Let this cook for about 10 minutes. Add your stir fry. You want to add stir fry? So we'll let him add stir fry. You want to cut it open? Here. Okay, pour it all in. You might want to.
I need a bigger pot.
Yeah. Okay. Put your stir fry all in. Pour everything in there. There you go. And he's throwing it everywhere. And then just do a good mix. Mix it in real good.
Want me to do it or you want to do it?
You can mix it. Go ahead. Go for it. Do your thing. Alright, so now we're going to add the teriyaki sauce into it. Just pour until I say stop. Oh, Jesus. Stop. I think that's enough. Just a little bit more. Just a smidge. Just a smidge. Oh, he did it. He did it. He did a little too much, but he did it. Alright, so now we're going to mix this up. And we're going to let it cook for about 5 more minutes to cook down a little bit. Alright, here's the finished product. We have some brown rice. Here is our mushrooms and teriyaki stir fry. And then we also have a side of sauteed Brussels sprouts that we're putting in the oven on 450 degrees with a little, garlic salt, bacon bits, olive oil, and garlic powder. And of course, he have his cherries. Enjoy.
What?